Hi, welcome to our fifth lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about one of the very important things, which is the comment. What is the comment, why we use it, and how we use it? We will talk about it in this lesson. Let me give you an example of something that can happen at work, in the real life. I am working with a team, and I have made a meta that my team doesn't know about. The meta name is Ahmed. And the content is "This is my meta." I know the use of this meta, but my team members don't know. So how will you tell them? You will tell me. I will call everyone in my team and tell him or her about this meta. That is not a professional way. We have in our programming languages and styling languages something called comments. These comments are used to describe the use of this meta to your team and yourself, and not only this meta, you can write anything. So why do you use comments to describe things for yourself? After a while, you can return to your code, make changes to it, or improve it. Of course, you may forget the use of any code. So you have to write comments to remember yourself about the use of this code. So how do we write a comment? Smaller than sign. Then an exclamation mark. Then 2 dashes. Write your content. Then 2 dashes, then greater than sign. You will find the color of the comment different. We will write this as a comment. If you are a beginner, you need to use comments for everything, so that you don't forget it. I will write this meta is for blah blah blah. If you want to change any line to comment using a shortcut, you will go to the line that you want to change and click on Ctrl and / on your keyboard. Comment is not only used to describe a thing, but you can also use it with any code if you want this code to disappear. For example, I am working on a task and I don't want a specific line to appear now, so I can change it to comment. If I go to this code and change it to comment and go to my web page, as you can see, this line disappeared, but I can see it in the page source. We have two types of comments: single line comments and multiple line comments. Multiple line comments are the same as the single line comments, but we have to write all the lines in this way. That's for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.